Are you tired of measuring everything with a ruler?
Ah, noodles! This is way too hard. I wish there was a better way.
Well, you're in luck. The new Stanley Power Lock talking tape measure.
We will begin by measuring the gumball machine.
This is awesome!
What's that? You don't think this is a good product? Well, listen to what it can say. Like,
Do not ever have to worry about being wrong with tape measure.
and
So what do you want to measure today?
And what would you pay for a talking tape measure? $1,000? $7,000? Nigga, please. It's only $5. 2 easy payments of $250. $7,000 shipping and handling.